Hi everyone, welcome to our video for basics in Premiere Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to upload some media and how to generally put it all together, and you'll get to play around some today as well. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go down to my start menu, which may be off the screen, but you're going to go to Adobe Premiere Pro. That may ask you to sign in. If it asks you to sign in, make sure you go to Enterprise ID and then just use your DMPS credentials. When this comes up, you will want to click New Project, okay, because it's a new project. I'm going to just title this Dunbar Documentary Practice. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop. That's where I save most everything. Then you can say OK. What's coming up now are four different boxes. Okay, what I'm going to start with is I'm going to show you how to import your media over here in the bottom left. So how to upload your videos you've taken, the still photos, things like that. And then I'll show you how to put them together and cut them a little bit, and then look at putting on some text on top of your videos. Okay. So we're going to start over here in this box. If you right click, you will get this menu. Click, say new item, or sorry, no, import. Import, that's what you want to do. I have all the stuff I'm going to use right here in this folder, which you guys can use the same stuff. This is the same stuff that I emailed to you. So I'm going to choose the video. I'm going to choose a still photo. And I'm going to choose my audio, which is kind of a song I'm going to put in the background. Okay, click open. And now you'll see all of these things live over here. Okay. I'm going up to the editing tab. Now we want to drag them over to this. This is the timeline. This is the sequence. So this is how you will see it in the documentary. I'm going to start off with the still photo. I'm just going to drag it over. Okay, there it is. Then I'm going to add the movie, which is the video. Sorry, that's the bell. When you have a video, you will see that you have a video line and an audio line. So the video line is obviously the video, and audio is obviously the audio. We can actually take away one or both of those things. Obviously, probably not both, but I'm going to show you how to delete the audio, unlink them, and put in some other audio behind it. So if you want to push play right now, you will see here's this photo, and then it's going to go into the video. Okay. So if I want to cut this video down, let's say I only want about 10 seconds of it, I can come over here to our razor tool. Okay, I can move this to where I want, exactly where I want to cut it. I can cut that part, and then I can do one of two things. I can delete it totally. Make sure you're on the selection tool up here. I can delete this totally. I can move it. We can move it in front of it. Okay, so now I just basically switch the spots of it. You can do a variety of things when you're cutting and looking at videos. But right now I'm just going to switch those two. At this point, I would, if I wanted to add some audio on the background, I could do that. So I'm going to actually unlink the audio and the video of this video so that we can see what it looks like to add some audio. So you click on you right click on the actual video down here, and you go to unlink. Now you can separate those videos. So if I'm just going to highlight this is the audio line. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I'm going to right click on link, and I'm going to unlink that. Okay, so now as I play, I just have the video, right? The audio has been deleted. Okay. Now in this I have, this is an MP3 that I got from SoundCloud for free. It's just one that I was able to grab. I'm going to put it behind our whole video. So behind the still photo that we have at the beginning and the video. Okay. So I'm going to move this back. I'm going to push play. Now you'll see here's my music. So now I have successfully deleted the audio and put in the song as the background. Now I'm going to show you how to add some words on the screen. So you can do that to identify people or to have the title of your documentary, those things. Okay, so I'm going to come back to the beginning. I'm going to come up here to graphics. I'm going to double click on where I want it to go. And then I'm going to oh yeah, up here. Sorry. We should have, now we should be able to go to graphics and new layer of text. Okay, so now there's a new layer of text right over the top here. I'm going to put, you can double click on it to highlight it to Dunbar's documentary. Okay, you can go to the selection tool, you can move it over, you can change the color, you can change the text. That's a little too big for the space. You can, trying to find, the color one might be off the screen, but I can show you how to do that in real life. Okay, so I'm going to move this over just a little bit. Okay, so now I have that. Now let's watch it from the beginning. Okay, so then we have put things together. We've done some editing. In our next video session, I will show you how to add some transitions and then how to export your video all together. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.